Hello friends, welcome to DP Studio. Today I'll show you how to update firmware on Zoom G3XN guitar processor. At first, open Google Chrome and search Zoom G3XN firmware. Then click to open Zoom site and select your language. So I am selecting English Global. Then the main Zoom website will open. Then click on the three lines and support and downloads. After that, search the product name. You can search with the product first letter. I am typing G, and this is all of the G series processors. I am selecting G3XN. This is my processor. Download Zoom G3XN firmware and GuitarLab Windows. After download, go to the downloads and connect with your processor with USB B type cable. Then at first install firmware and open the zip file and install it. When I am installing the firmware, the MIDI in and MIDI out is totally blank because I did not turn on my processor. Then turn on your processor with pressing channel 1 and channel 2. The processor screen will show the firmware update. Now install the firmware. Now you can see Zoom G series and processor is updating. Update is complete, showing processor screen and also computer screen. Then turn off your processor. After that, install the GuitarLab. Open the GuitarLab folder and install it. Installation is complete. Launch Zoom GuitarLab. At first, you see no device found, and turn on your processor and stay some time. After that, you see the connecting symbol is red. Stay some time. After few seconds, the connecting symbol is blue and your Zoom GuitarLab device is loading. After loading your all processor patches, you can see your all patches in GuitarLab. At first, effect section, this is your processor effects. Then this is your patch section. All of the patches and settings in here. And you can also edit your patches from here. If you like this video and you think this is very helpful for you and watching more this kind of video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.